I run the powder coat shop out here. This is some small parts that we do. We clean these by hand because they're so small. We'll wipe them down with alcohol, make sure there's no impurities in it, no rough edges. After they've been cleaned down thoroughly, we dry them and put them in the powder spray booth and powder. Powder the part evenly, make sure there's no gaps, no missing powder anywhere. The finished product needs to be done right, otherwise the powder coat will peel off or chip off. Powder has its own cure schedule. We bring the substract of the metal up to the temperature that powder is calling for, and then we cook it for the time that powder calls for at that point for 100% cure. Now that the timer's gone off, we'll silence the alarm, turn the timer off, and pull the product out of the oven.